we got AT&T. We don't talk about this name very often. It seems kind of boring, except when it hits a 52-week high and gets over 24 bucks. That's pretty nice, especially when you're looking at why is that? Well, they've got buybacks. They're talking about monstrous buybacks, in total about 20 billion. It's not just about that. It's also about the dividends that they're able to do. It's also about what they've been able to do with the outlook, and they're putting out there for 2025 a pretty strong outlook. And as a matter of fact, they raised their earnings from 210 to 220 to 225. There's a lot of different things that are going on in a positive way right now for AT&T, Mark. I like what we're seeing here. It's not a name that we talk about probably enough, but it's a very interesting name. And when you look at the dollars that are up in front of us and we look at all the different payments that they're going to be doing, they really are sharing with the shareholders. And that's something that I think every shareholder should be pretty happy about.
Yeah, and listen, this is going to seem like Groundhog Day, but this is also an AI story. Oh, God, did he just bring up AI again? You know what? I did, and I'm not ashamed of it. I'm going to tell you why. AT&T has been investing heavily in the improvement of their broadband network and the expansion of their 5G network and their fiber optic network. That is all in anticipation of more and more data coming through those pipes via the smartphones that are powered by AT&T using artificial intelligence. This is also, I know it's crazy, Pete, this is also an AI story. I don't follow this stock well enough. I sort of think about it as, not your grandfather's AI stock, if this sort of becomes an AI stock, right? Not your father's Oldsmobile kind of thing. But yeah, I mean, look, very interested to see how this continues to play out. And anytime you talk about a $10 billion buyback, part of a total of a $20 billion buyback, that shows a hell of a lot of confidence in the trajectory of the business. So yeah, great story.
And their free cash flow going out to 2027, they're expecting 18 billion. I mean, these numbers are pretty staggering, quite honestly.